So you want to go viral on YouTube? Well, guess what? It's not about some secret magic trick. It's about having a blueprint. And that's exactly what we're going to walk through right now, step by step.
You know, this is probably the most frustrating question for any creator out there. You spend hours, maybe even days, pouring your heart into a video. You hit that publish button and then nothing, just crickets. So what is it? Is it just terrible luck? Is the platform working against you? No, absolutely not. There's a system at play, and today we're going to figure out how to make that system work for you.
Let's try to reframe this whole thing. Getting 0 views isn't some kind of creative dead end, it's just a problem that needs to be solved. And a solution always starts with understanding the one thing that decides who gets to see your amazing content and who doesn't.
The YouTube algorithm. It sounds so big and intimidating, right? Like some mysterious force you can't control. But it's not. Seriously. Just think of it like a game with a very clear, very simple set of rules. And once you know those rules, you can start winning.
So what is this all-powerful algorithm actually looking for? Honestly, it boils down to one single thing: watch time. How long can you keep someone glued to your video? That's it. That's the heart of it. The longer they watch, the more YouTube's system goes, hey, people really like this, let's show it to a whole lot more people.
And you know what's really cool is seeing how simple the process is when you break it down like this. You post a video, people start to watch it. The algorithm is in the background, timing how long they stick around. If that watch time is really high, the algorithm gets excited and starts pushing your video out all over the platform. So your entire job really boils down to one mission: get people to watch for as long as possible. But how do you even get them to click play in the first place?
Right, before the algorithm can even start its clock, a real, live human being has to make the decision to click on your video. And that's not a machine decision, it's 100% psychological. You have to win that crucial first impression.
And this just illustrates the point perfectly, doesn't it? A great title doesn't just describe what's in the video, it makes you curious. A title like "My Trip to the City" is, well, it's like a diary entry that's going to get ignored. But a title like "5 Mistakes Tourists Always Make," that creates what we call a curiosity gap. It promises you'll learn something valuable, and that's what turns a passive scroll into an active click. It's basically an invitation that's too good to refuse.
Let's be really clear about this. You could create the most incredible, life-changing video in the world, but if your title and thumbnail are weak, nobody will ever see it. They are the gatekeepers to all your hard work. Mastering them isn't just a good idea. It's step one for literally everything else we're going to talk about.
So you know you need amazing titles and killer content, but you don't have to figure it all out by yourself. Creators today have this incredibly powerful toolkit that can help you work smarter, not just harder. Let's dig into 2 of the biggest game changers: SEO and AI.
I know, SEO sounds super technical, but it's actually really simple. All it means is using the exact words and phrases your audience is already typing into the YouTube search bar. When you put those keywords in your title and description, you're basically just raising your hand and telling YouTube, hey, over here, my video is the perfect answer to that person's question.
And now you can totally supercharge this whole process with AI. I mean, just imagine feeding a simple idea into an AI tool and getting back a dozen viral title ideas, a list of the perfect SEO keywords, or even a full script outline. This isn't cheating, it's just using amazing and often free technology to level the playing field. Okay, so we've covered the algorithm, the psychology of a click, and the smart tools you can use. Now let's put all those pieces together into the final part of this puzzle: a simple, actionable weekly plan that we're calling the Viral Growth Formula.
The core idea of this strategy is so simple, but it is so powerful. You create your main, longer videos to build your authority and get that all-important watch time. Then use YouTube Shorts as a hook. These are quick, super engaging clips designed to get discovered by a huge new audience and pull them back to your main channel.
And here's what that looks like in a real week. It's a simple, repeatable rhythm. On Monday, you post your core long-form video. That's your pillar content. Then on Wednesday and Friday, you post shorts. Think of these like little commercials for your channel, constantly bringing in new viewers and keeping your channel fresh in the algorithm's eyes.
You know, if you remember just one thing from all of this, let it be this: success on this platform is not random. It's not about being lucky or getting picked out of a crowd. It's a blueprint, a system that works when you combine human psychology, smart strategy, and most importantly, consistency.
So let's do a super quick recap of the blueprint. First, the clock. Remember, your main goal is to get that watch time up for the algorithm. Second, the mouse. You've got to earn every single click with amazing titles and thumbnails. Third, the brain. Use the power of SEO and AI to work smarter. And finally, the calendar. Stay consistent with that smart mix of long videos and discovery-focused shorts.
The plan is right here, broken down for you, step by step. It's clear, it's something you can actually do, and it's proven to work. So the only question left is the one you see right now. You have the blueprint. So what are you going to build?